Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I made this gate security system using Arduino and Keypad module. To build this project I used 4x4 Keypad matrix, micro servo, LCD module with I2C, Arduino Uno, few jumper cables and a piece of cardboard. To begin with, I will build circuit connections following this simple circuit diagram. For Arduino codes, you can check the description box below. Test the project by pressing the star button. Enter the default password 1234. If everything works fine, the servo will make some movements. Now to change the password, you can press # and follow the steps. Finish this project by placing all the electronic components on a piece of cardboard. Use hot glue or double-sided adhesive wherever necessary. Now to open the gate, you should enter the default password 1234. If you type the wrong password, you will see an error message and the gate remains closed. This is all about this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.